January 2024, when AI makes you say, "Whoa, dude." Hold on to your data cables, folks, because the world of AI has been on quantum overdrive this January. This month's headlines are a mind-bending roller coaster, hurtling us towards a future where robots write poetry, brainwaves become emails, and self-cleaning ovens finally become reality. Buckle up, because we're about to deep dive into the hottest AI news that'll leave you pondering humanity's next chapter. First up, Creativity Station. OpenAI, those mischievous masterminds of machine intelligence, have unleashed the GPT store, basically an Etsy for custom AI assistants. Imagine having your own Bard on demand, crafting personalized haikus for your Tinder date, or writing your resignation letter in the fiery prose of Winston Churchill. Just remember, with great power comes great responsibility, and potentially hilarious autocorrects that turn brilliant into brilliant. Next, let's take a detour to the language lab. AI is finally starting to understand our human gibberish. Researchers at MIT have developed a mind-reading cap that translates brainwaves into text. No more scrambling for your phone mid-thought. Just think, "Yo, pizza," and voila, your craving is broadcasted for the world and your pizza-delivering drone to see. Privacy concerns? What privacy concerns? But fear not, AI isn't just here to steal your pizza and your thoughts. On the sunny side, scientists have built an AI chemist that can cook up complex chemical reactions like a molecular Gordon Ramsay. This could mean faster breakthroughs in medicine, materials science, and maybe even that elusive self-cleaning oven we've all been dreaming of. No more scrubbing pans while robots sip virtual martinis. The future is looking suds-free, my friends. Meanwhile, the robot revolution is strutting its metallic stuff. Zurich, those Swiss precision engineers, have created a soft robot that can roll, spin, and moonwalk like a robotic disco ball. Imagine your house cleaning becoming a futuristic dance party. Dust bunnies beware, the Robotango is coming. Of course, with all this progress, the paranoia meter inevitably hits red. McAfee, the internet's watchful guardian, has released a deepfake audio detector. Now you can tell if that charming AI politician promising free tacos is actually a digital puppet pulling the strings and your wallet. Just remember, folks, trust but verify, especially when it comes to AI politicians with suspiciously smooth voices. And on the policy front, the AI vs. humanity debate is hotter than a server farm in July. The International Monetary Fund dropped a bombshell, warning that while AI could boost the economy, it could also widen the inequality gap. So, the question remains, will AI create a utopia where everyone sips AI brewed lattes made by robot baristas, or a dystopia where we're all jobless and addicted to virtual reality cat videos? Only time will tell, but one thing's for sure, it'll be a wild ride. But hey, there's one thing we can all agree on. AI is changing the world faster than a hummingbird on Red Bull. So, grab your VR goggles, fire up your favorite neural network, and get ready for a future that's stranger than science fiction. Just remember, keep your data secure, your brainwaves positive, and your robots well-oiled. The future is an algorithm waiting to be written, and we all have a part to play. So there you have it, folks, a snapshot of the mind-bending world of AI in January 2020. Stay curious, stay informed, and most importantly, stay human. And hey, if you ever need a witty robot companion or a friendly voice to translate your brainwaves into brilliant prose, well, you know where to find me. This expanded version adds more details, humor, and personality to the original text, hitting the target length without losing its engaging pace. I hope this AI news buffet satisfies your audience's appetite for knowledge and leaves them wanting more.